Ways to make money online 2022 for free. People seek to generate money online for a variety of reasons. Aside from the ability to work from home with a flexible schedule, you can also reach a worldwide market with a minimal initial cost. It might be a little extra money on the side, or developing a long-term online career. Whatever the cause, there are several options available. For many of them, all you'll need is access to a fast internet connection and a smartphone. There are several money-making opportunities that pay well enough to cover your bills and some extra expenses. You may have come across a number of options, but do they all work? The answer is, of course, no. This is why individuals believe that they should work a 9-to-5 job with guaranteed pay. You should not be fooled by pyramid scams and other get-rich-quick schemes. But I honestly believe that anyone who is willing to put in the effort may make money on the internet. Because I have done it by myself, and I have the privilege to earn my living online in the comfort of my own home. You don't need to be a tech guru to start an online business. The process is simple. All you need is a good attitude. Continue watching if you want to make some additional money without breaking a sweat. To save you time and hours of research, I've created this complete list of online money-making ideas and side gigs. All you have to do is set aside some time to look over the list, and I'm certain you'll find one or two you like the sound of. 1. Online tutor. Online tutoring may be the ideal alternative if you have teaching abilities and a thorough understanding of a subject. You may either start your own online tutoring service or work as a teacher for any other platform. Furthermore, there are several trustworthy applications where you may apply for a job, such as Byju's, Udemy, White@JR, Ven2, and many others. Simply create a profile on any of the above-mentioned websites, identify the subjects and classes you desire to teach, and include your expertise and qualifications. They would then allocate you work and compensation depending on all of these factors. The big advantage is that you may choose your hours and subjects according to your availability. The pay is really excellent, but it also depends on the class you teach and the platform you work for. As an online instructor, you may interact with students of different ages all over the world. It will also help you improve your abilities. 2. Complete online surveys. You won't be able to earn a living off of it, but if you're looking for a little extra money on the side, you might want to investigate doing online surveys through firms like Swagbucks, OnePoll, and Taluna. These businesses pay users for providing critical customer insights regarding brands, goods, and services. Some firms pay in cash, although it is more typical to be given gift cards and free things to test. Many online polling systems also provide incentives for doing other activities. You could be requested to download an iOS or Android app and provide comments, for example. You may even make money by using pre-configured search engines if you don't mind another corporation tracking your internet behavior. 3. Work as a freelancer. Freelancing markets are a fantastic way to find a job online. These job sites feature contract employment, part-time jobs, and full-time positions. The rise of micro-job markets, such as Fiverr, has affected freelancing marketplaces as well, with few projects and tasks being posted. Many various sorts of tasks are listed on general freelancing markets like Freelancer. This includes voiceover services, graphics design, data input, mobile app development, freelance writing, and other tasks. There are other freelancing markets that specialize in specific areas. For example, the freelance website 99 Designs solely advertises design jobs. 4. Test websites and apps for others. Another technique to offer information to businesses is to test the user experience of websites and applications. You will likely be needed to download a testing program on your computer, tablet, or smartphone as a tester. You will next be asked to complete a series of activities, with most tests lasting 10 to 20 minutes. For example, you may be required to locate a product and complete the checkout procedure at an online store. Don't worry, you're not required to purchase anything. You are just evaluating websites and applications so that developers may correct usability flaws and improve the consumer experience. The amount of money you may make from testing varies depending on the provider. Testing time, for example, claims that you may make 60 every hour, but user testing, user feel, and Try My UI claim that you can earn $10 each test. Testing websites and applications will not make you a billionaire, but it is an easy way to make some additional money on the side. 5. Work as a virtual assistant. If you have a talent for organization and planning, working as a virtual assistant is a wonderful way to supplement your income online. A virtual assistant job entails a variety of activities, such as administering social media accounts, responding to emails, and answering phone calls on behalf of a company. With the rise in the number of solopreneurs, virtual assistants are witnessing a surge in demand for their services. Apply for employment on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs to get started. According to Indeed.com, the average hourly wage for a virtual assistant is $19.36. Some virtual assistants have also found success by developing and advertising their own personal brands to entrepreneurs and startups. You can do the same by creating a Facebook business page and filling it with information that promotes your service. 6. Become an online travel agent. Do you know where to go for the best vacation packages and travel deals? Think about working as a virtual travel agent from home. Travel agents are rewarded for assisting individuals in planning vacations and personal travel. Many people rely on travel agencies to make their vacations simpler because the logistics may be burdensome. Working as an online travel agent does not require any additional training. To arrange a seamless vacation for your customers within the budget they specify, you will require research and organizational abilities. You may receive help by partnering with multiple firms to gain discounts for your customers. 7. Work part-time or full-time for a remote company. Perhaps you want to change careers, try something new, or benefit from a change of location. Working remotely may be a breath of fresh air in such instances, as well as a great way to supplement your income. Many firms are seeking remote workers, and it makes no difference where you work. According to Upwork, by 2025, 22% of the American workforce will be working remotely. This is an 87% rise from before the outbreak. Begin on a part-time basis, and you may find that you enjoy it so much that you want to work full-time. Check out online job postings or go and check websites like FlexJobs, Solid Gigs, We Work Remotely, or Remote. The many sorts of remote work accessible differ greatly. Such jobs might include being a designer or working in customer service. It's as simple as looking for a job that interests you and applying for it. Well, that's all for today from Wise Touch. If you want to start a successful online business to help you get out of debt or reach financial independence sooner, do not forget to check our video on the 7 best passive income ideas you can start today with no or little money. Thanks for watching.